The Ross L. Oliver Award recognizes the member who has made outstanding contributions to the groundwater industry. Please join me in welcoming John Schnieders, Ph.D.
I have been a member of the National Groundwater for 30 years. 10 years before joining the association, I started Water Systems Engineering. Water Systems is a water research laboratory which supports itself through water investigation and problem solving. Most of our work to this day is in water wells and associated aquifers. My son Michael is the president and still runs the laboratory. Our goal was and continues to be to provide usable knowledge of the chemistry and bacteriology of water wells for the improvement in well operation and maintenance. To the extent that our work and research has widespread use and acceptance, I feel that we have reached some of those goals. I guess if I had a philosophy of life, it is persistence. My father used to say, nothing in life takes the place of persistence. A good example of persistence would be our own association, which has persistently grown from a group of well contractors to an organization which reaches into well construction, water purity, the engineering and science of water wells, and provides for the availability of potable groundwater for half of the population in the United States. As far as advice to someone just entering our industry, I would suggest pick and define a goal and be persistent. I want to thank everyone for this award. I am truly honored. A special thank you to Dr. John Jensen. I believe he's the one that submitted my nomination. Roger Miller also has been my longtime friend and partner, and I'm sure that he supplied most of the information to the committee. I also want to accept this award for the people who backed me for so many years of water systems engineering. Many of them are 30 and 40-year veterans. I did want also to thank the National Groundwater Office personnel. Many of them helped me through the years. Particularly, I can think of Kevin McRae and Kathy Butcher, who sort of mentored me all the way from the beginning to the end. They helped me in a lot of presentations, a lot of committee work, and so forth. I'm truly honored to receive this award. I wanted to say that I actually started in chemistry some 75 years ago, or 71 years ago, I guess it was. And I really wasn't a certified chemist at that time, of course, but I managed to blow up my father's basement a couple of times. But I entered groundwater research, or water research, about 50 years ago, and switched over to groundwater research entirely about 30 years ago when I entered the organization. And one of the reasons I think that I kind of wanted to point out that I'm really honored to receive it, but I also really needed to receive this award. Many of you know my son Michael, and of course he's coming along, and any footprint that I may have left on the organization, he seems to be filling them very quickly. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Congratulations, John, and thank you for your contributions.